Good evening all. Audio video clear. Welcome all of you. Welcome to this very special lecture. We'll wait for 30 seconds. By that time, please invite your friends, share this link to them so that they can also attend this session live itself. And if they are not able to attend live, this same link use करके recording भी देख सकता है. So share this link to all your friends, all your WhatsApp groups, Telegram groups related to CSIR-NET exam, because this is the most important session before the July 2025 NET exam, that is 28th July में होने वाला exam के लिए ये session बहुत ही useful होगा. All of you make an effort, share करिए ये link. And new students, there are other series that happened last 1 or 2 weeks, especially this rapid fire series. If you are new to my sessions, check out this rapid fire series before the exam. We have practiced almost 70 questions in that series. So those questions were from the latest PYQs. We have discussed that so that you will get good practice according to the latest trend of CSIR-NET questions. तो वो सेशंस का रिकॉर्डिंग अवेलेबल है ये सेम यूट्यूब चैनल पे, और ये सेम यूट्यूब चैनल पे अगला 3-4 days में वी विल बी डिस्कसिंग more sessions specifically for this 28th July CSIR-NET exam. So subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so that you will get updated whenever I go live. Every day the session timing is not 4 p.m. Normally it is 5:30 p.m. or sometimes evening also. And tomorrow we will be having a flashcard revision series we are starting. So वो flashcard revision series का details also you will be getting through this YouTube channel. So make sure you are enabling the notification so that YouTube will remind you. Otherwise हमारा groups में join कर सकता है, our WhatsApp groups and Telegram groups or our mobile app. In all these handles we share the link of all the free resources or free lectures we conduct. So Telegram channel join कर सकता है, WhatsApp group join कर सकता है, links are there in the description of the video. And otherwise download our mobile app Christy's classes from Play Store. वहाँ भी update मिल सकता है about all our upcoming sessions. And a special announcement, we are giving a free mock test for everyone who are preparing for the 28th July 2025 exam. So वो free mock test available है. Mobile application Christy's classes download करना है to access it. Download the mobile application, and in our WhatsApp group and Telegram group we will share the link today after this session. इसका link भी send करेगा so that you can easily attend the mock test. Free mock test for General Aptitude section of CSIR-NET exam. उसका video solutions भी होगा so that you will have a free mock test before the exam. So that are the free resources we provide. But if you want a more structured course for our course for GATE exam or upcoming December NET exam, live complete course for GATE and NET have started. CSIR का कोर्स लास्ट वीक स्टार्ट किया है, उसका नया बैच 1 week later स्टार्ट होगा. So description of this video you can find it, and now early bird prices are applicable. So if you want to subscribe you can subscribe now. The most structured course. GATE का कोर्स आज से शुरू कर रहा है 21st जुलाई से. GATE 2026 लाइव कंप्लीट कोर्स 2.0 वर्जन शुरू कर रहा है. So more about both these courses I will tell towards the end of the class. So if you are preparing for 28th July and you want to start GATE preparation after that also, subscribe the course now, because now it is available at a launch price. Using the coupon code launch500 you can get this discounted price. और एग्जाम के बाद वो क्लासेस अटेंड करना शुरू कर सकता है, बिकॉज एवरी लाइव क्लासेस का रिकॉर्डिंग भी वी गिव एक्सेस टू द स्टूडेंट्स. एनी नंबर ऑफ टाइम्स यू कैन वॉच द रिकॉर्डिंग ऑफ द मिस्ड क्लासेस. ओके, so let us start. All of you, have you shared the link to your friends so that others have joined? No, we need more people to be part of this live session. So all of you take an effort, share the link to your friends, let more people attend the session. ये एक बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट, बहुत ही स्पेशल सेशन होगा. Okay, last 6 to 7 classes में rapid fire questions we have discussed. There we have practiced more questions, but आज का lecture practice of more questions, that is not the primary objective, but practice will happen. But to make you familiar which all area से questions ज़्यादा आ सकता है, which all area से कौन सा type का question expect कर सकता है. कौन सा type means I don't know who set the question paper or anything, but I am just analyzing previous year questions. I am teaching last 11 years for CSIR-NET exam. So from that experience, I am trying to make a set of questions which have chances to be asked in the upcoming exam. Set of questions means not same questions. उसका variation या वो concept based questions आने का chances है. So and all questions making you try in the class itself, it will take time. So for every question I will give 1 minute or maybe 1.5 minutes maximum. And सारा कुछ questions का explanation के लिए time ज़्यादा लगेगा. कुछ questions का explanation we have already done in the rapid fire sessions. So that is why please consider this as a session where we are trying to cover the whole most expected questions questions in a single lecture. So उसके लिए सारा questions का detailed explanation don't expect it. Rapid fire series और ये मिला के you will get a proper clarity. And tomorrow onwards we are starting the flashcard revision series. Tomorrow 5:30 PM will be the first lecture in this YouTube channel. So flashcard revision series भी attend करिए. ये तीनों के साथ you will get a proper clarity for 28th July. Okay, so let us start. General Aptitude of CSIR-NET Part A, as the syllabus suggests, there are 20 questions and you can attempt only maximum 15 questions. Syllabus में mention किया है General Science, Quantitative, Reasoning, Analysis, Research Aptitude. इससे आपको किसी भी clarity नहीं मिलेगा कौन सा areas focus करना है. So basically there are 4 units: Quantitative Aptitude, Logical Reasoning, Data Interpretation and General Science. Majority of the questions will be from this single unit, Quantitative Aptitude. You can say 12 to 15 questions. 12 to 15 questions will be from quantitative aptitude itself. Yeah, maybe 10 to 15. Sometimes they have reduced the number, but generally 12 to 15 questions you can expect from this. And logical reasoning are questions where math is less, only logic is there. So usse you can expect, that also varies, but you can expect about 3 to 6 questions. 3 to 6 questions. Data interpretation 1 or 2 questions expect कर सकता है. Sometimes it have been 0 also. And general science 0 to 1, that is a frequency of the last 3-4 years analyze किया तो general science का number of questions got even reduced. उसके पहले 2 question या 3 question तक भी पूछ रहा था, but अभी number of questions for general science have got reduced. So that is the rough distribution of questions. So quantitative aptitude means उसमें maths ज़्यादा है. Let us start with the logical reasoning thing. And new students, you can check out this shortcut approaches का lectures भी previous lectures ये channel में है. If you want any particular topic lectures of mine, either in Google or in YouTube, you can search. For example, probability का lecture मेरा चाहिए तो probability by Christy Varghese, you can search it. Why I am asking you to search that way instead of this channel? Because I haven't uploaded not only in this channel, I have uploaded in multiple channels, and I don't more than you people being part of my channel only, I want you to learn the concepts well. So the videos that I have uploaded in multiple channels, multiple edtech platforms, multiple coaching institute platforms, all of them you can refer. So वो सारा videos एक साथ मिलने के लिए you have to put the topic by Christy Varghese. If you put that, you will get all the videos in different platforms. Okay, so let's start. And the shortcut approaches ka videos mainly I have taken in this channel. Yeah, recent videos, more all updated video, everything you will get in this channel only. But subject wise videos you can find any channels where I have uploaded the videos. Okay, let's start. So these are the different areas. Now quantitative aptitude reasoning also you can subdivide it into different areas. So first we will start with the reasoning unit. Reasoning units में these are the major subtopics. इसमें कौन सा एरिया से ज़्यादा क्वेश्चंस आया है लास्ट फ्यू इयर्स, उसके अकॉर्डिंग आई विल गिव यू एन ओवरऑल आइडिया कौन सा एरिया ज़्यादा फोकस करना है रीजनिंग में. या दिस इज द शेड्यूल ऑफ अवर कंप्लीट कोर्स. दीज आर द 60 टॉपिक्स वी टेक, बट सम एक्स्ट्रा बोनस लेक्चर मिला के टोटल 70 लेक्चर्स आर देयर. So reasoning में these are the topics: coding, decoding, ranking, ordering, seating arrangement, who's who, state and problem, blood relation, logical puzzles, miscellaneous. उसमें ये coding decoding last few years में importance ज़्यादा आ रहा है. So coding decoding important है. Coding decoding में there are many types of coding. These are the major types of coding decoding theory. This flashcards का explanation we will start in the tomorrow's lecture onwards. We will start this flashcard revision discussion. Yeah. Want to know, those who are attending this recorded or live, do you want a flashcard revision series? Are you excited for such a series? Like to hear from you, because each of your motivating words are always an inspiration for coming up with more quality content. So many of you were doing that for the last 1 week. That's why even if my schedule of last few weeks were very tight, but I was able to conduct enough free lectures for all of you. So keep commenting. According to YouTube algorithm also, that is needed for YouTube to recommend this video to more CSIR-NET aspirants. So uske liye bhi comment kariye what is your experience of each lecture. If you already commented for last lecture also, please do that again, because that will help a new student who are coming to this video to know what is the quality of this video. And be frank, you can be honest about it. You don't have to give any good comments only. You can put whatever that is there in your mind. I am confident about it. Okay, thank you Amisha, nice flashcards, very useful. Thank you so much. I'm watching your recorded lecture, so helpful. Thank you so much Uswa. 6 days. Amisha, I'm trying my maximum upcoming days. मेरा schedule थोड़ा tight है, but I will try my maximum to come with daily lectures till your net exam. So flashcards for difficult topics. Yes खुशी, कल से शुरू करेगा flashcard revision series. Flashcards all concepts explain नाम के एक series शुरू कर रहा है कल से. How many days it will continue depending upon how many people or more people are interested or not. If you are having more viewers for a particular series, we will be able to continue that for more. Okay, so coding decoding, these are the major types which we will discuss in coding this lecture. So try one example. ऐसा type का questions last few years में repeatedly आ रहा है. So coding decoding, again let me tell you one thing. इस बार exam हो रहा है same day में, all 5 subjects on the same day. कोविड के बाद ऐसा नहीं हो रहा था. कोविड के पहले सिंगल डे में सारा सब्जेक्ट्स फिनिश हो रहा था. उस समय एप्टीट्यूड के लिए सिर्फ 2 सेट ऑफ क्वेश्चन पेपर्स आ रहा था. नॉर्मली मैथमेटिकल साइंस, केमिकल साइंस एंड अर्थ साइंस, ये तीनों सब्जेक्ट सेम एप्टीट्यूड क्वेश्चंस शेयर करेगा. लाइफ साइंस एंड फिजिकल साइंस विल शेयर द सेम क्वेश्चन पेपर, बिकॉज दे विल नॉट टेक टाइम टू प्रिपेयर 5 डिफरेंट सेट ऑफ क्वेश्चन पेपर. बट इस बार they have announced it recently only that the exam is happening on a single day because of some other Himachal Pradesh set exam or some other exams. That is why maybe you can get 5 different subject, 5 different question papers, that I am not sure. But whatever be it, the pattern of questions will be similar only. So one subject or the other, you can expect questions from coding decoding for sure. So try this. Anjali, let me check after 7 p.m. if it is possible. Yeah, you can tell your preferred timing in the comment section, but I'm not sure whether I can guarantee all of your preferences, but I will take that also in consideration. If that timing is okay for me, we will plan for a different time. All of you can comment what is the preferred time for the upcoming free classes. Any time is fine for you, that also you can comment. Okay, this question try करिए. As I told, आज का लेक्चर में मैक्सिमम एरियाज को कवर करना है, मैक्सिमम टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चंस को फेमिलियराइज करना है. दैट इज ऑब्जेक्टिव रादर देन डिस्कसिंग ईच कॉन्सेप्ट्स इन डिटेल. उसके लिए अपकमिंग लेक्चर्स विल हेल्प यू, फ्लैश कार्ड रिविजन सीरीज और अदर सीरीज. ओके, ये क्वेश्चन बहुत ही सिंपल है. कोडिंग डिकोडिंग में बहुत सारा टाइप्स है. वन इज इंक्रीजिंग पैटर्न या डिक्रीजिंग पैटर्न. एल्बर्ट इज रिटन एज BNEIWZ. हाउ? एल्बर्ट का A+1 इज B. एक के बाद नेक्स्ट लेटर है ना B. L+2 इज N. L के बाद सेकेंड लेटर है ना N. L+2. B+3 इज E. B के बाद थर्ड लेटर है ना E. E+4 is I. R+5 is W. T+6 is Z. That is how Albert is written as BNEIWZ. Similarly, zebra is written as AGEVF. Same pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. are the इंक्रीजिंग पैटर्न. तो MICHEL कैसा पैटर्न बना रहा है? +1 +2 +3 +4 +5 +6. तो आंसर मिलेगा ऑप्शन सी. Here possibility of elimination you can go. So check out my previous lectures on coding decoding. I have taught the technique in detail. So Khushi, thank you so much. Definitely will plan accordingly. So try. So that coding decoding is an important area. You may get questions from coding decoding. So then last few years, this I have told in the rapid fire session also. Some subject or the other, there are high chances that they will ask such a question. इसका भी variations ज़्यादा है. Statement related problems है. Statement related problems में बहुत सारा types है. For example, converse, inverse, contrapositive related questions, negation का question, truthity, falsity का question. But ऐसा questions भी आ सकता है, but उससे भी ज़्यादा ये type repeat किया है last few years में. So rapid fire mein we have already tried 4 or 5 examples of this. This is an example which we haven't discussed in the rapid fire. So try this fast. Try this all of you. Amisha, morning actually the complete course students I am already having sessions with them. Morning difficult hoga, but maybe before 9 o'clock maybe we will plan. Anyway, try this all of you. June 2023 net exam problem. Complete it. Very good. Many of you got it right. If we count the number of appearance of the letter N in the sentence, the result will be. The result का correct answer चाहिए. मतलब, as I told, the idea of these kinds of questions is you are entering the word. The word is part of the sentence. So if you count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So if you enter 7, the answer is wrong. क्योंकि 7 में एक N है. 7 का N will make the number of N 8. Because you are entering not as a numeral 7, you are entering the word 7 in the blank. Filling the blank करना है ना. So वो blank में 7 enter करके many of you are getting 7 also as the answer. So that is why I am explaining little more in detail. I understand many new students are here. That is why I am repeating. New students, please go through the rapid fire series also. उसमें इसका detailed explanation, ये type of questions का detailed explanation भी दिया है. Briefly I will explain. 7 एंटर किया तो 7 का n will make it 8. मतलब रिजल्ट गलत हो गया ना. रिजल्ट सही करना है, दैट इज द ऑब्जेक्टिव. तो ऑप्शन बी इज रॉन्ग. तो 7 के बाद 8 ऑप्शन में नहीं है. देन 9 एंटर किया तो क्या फायदा है? 9 का 2n will make it total 9. So the result will be correct. So option C is the correct answer. New students, can you please comment? Did you understand how these kinds of questions should be done? This is a common type. Last 3 September 2022 से September 2022 there was a NET exam. September 2022 से हर exam में at least one subject is getting such a question. So high chances there. 28th July exam maybe you may get it. Again, I am using the terms like may get it because I am not the question paper setter. I am just analyzing PYQs and telling you chances are high. Okay. So now blood relation also is another topic of reasoning. Last few years में not frequently but they have asked blood relation. The blood relation में relationship tree कैसा draw करना है, you should know it. You should know how to draw relationship tree. I hope all of you know it. If not, please check the lectures on blood relation. My complete course students, when I am telling refer to the lectures means check out our course recordings. Their blood relation chapter mein initially we have discussed how to draw a relationship tree. We have discussed that in depth na. So that concept please revise. So try this fast all of you. Not explaining more in depth, but I will give you a quick solution of this. Okay, some of you got it. So I will explain. Not explain, I will just briefly tell about this. So relationship tree you should draw like this. How to draw relationship tree? These are the rules you should follow. In the flashcard revision series, I will give a quick understanding of that. So 2 males and 3 females. So male को square से represent करना है, female को circle से. So यहाँ पे male कौन है, female कौन है? How you understand? A is the daughter. Daughter तो female ही हो सकता है. Daughter of B. So B का gender अभी पता नहीं है, but A is a sister of C. So A and C sisters are, or sister brother relation, sibling relation is denoted by a horizontal line. E is the spouse of B. Spouse means husband by wife relationship. So E and B are married to each other. And mother of D. E is mother means B is father. That is how we understood B का gender male है. So E का gender female B. C is not the brother of D. C D का brother नहीं है. So C D का brother नहीं है. And so C is not the brother of D means C is the sister of D. क्योंकि C and D confirm siblings है. C and D क्यों siblings है? क्योंकि E is the spouse of B and mother of D. E is mother of D. B is the father of D. And B is the father of A and C also. So A, C, D ये तीनों siblings है confirm. So this is a brief explanation of how to draw the relationship tree. Which of the statement is not correct? Correct नहीं, not correct पूछा है. Always remember, not word miss नहीं करना है. Incorrect पूछ सकता है question में correct का जगह. So you should be careful. He is the mother of A. E mother of A correct है. E mother of A, C and D. D is the sister of C. D sister नहीं brother है. So option B is the correct answer. D sister नहीं है, brother है. Is that clear? Again, as I told, in detail to explain what is relationship tree, how to draw it and all, that will take time. That is not the objective of today's lecture. For detailed learning, check out blood relation chapter videos. So next topic, seating arrangement. ये भी chances are there seating arrangement से question मिलने का. Seating arrangement भी visual method से इसी हो जाएगा. You should know how to draw a visual. So make a try. ये क्वेश्चन हम रैपिड फायर सीरीज में डिस्कस किया था. So new students, you can take this time to try it and answer it. Yeah, everyone can try, but new students may take some time extra to complete. So the correct answer here, yes, option A is the correct answer. So you have to draw the picture. How to draw it? The conditions in the question. So seating arrangement में दो types of question आ सकता है. Linear arrangement आ सकता है, circular arrangement. This is a linear arrangement question. So दोनों type possible है questions आने के लिए. Among 5 girls standing side by side, Leela has exactly 1 girl in her, not life left. Alice is just right of Prerna. Just right of Prerna means right neighbor. Alice, right of Prerna. And there are at least 2 persons between Radha and Zarina. The Radha and Zarina 2 persons means the only arrangement possible is either Radha on the left end and Zarina on the right end, or Zarina on the left end and Radha on the right end, and this be Prerna and Alice like this, because question में clearly लिखा है Leela has exactly one girl to her left. So Leela should be standing second place for sure. So these are the two arrangements. ये दोनों arrangement में Prerna is in the middle, so option A is the correct answer. सबको clear है ना, all of you? That is how to do this question. So then another type of question last few years में आ रहा है who is who type, but this question takes a lot of time to explain, so you can try this later. You can take a screenshot if you want, or you can pause this video and check. So this is a who is who problem. This is an example of such a problem and how to solve it using table. So here type B, थोड़ा time consuming है, but question आ सकता है. Now random logical puzzles भी पूछ सकता है. Random logical puzzles means it can be a Sudoku game. It can be some other magic square game. It can be some other game where you have to complete the picture with without lifting the pen and completing the picture, without retracing and without lifting. So any kind of puzzles can be asked. So 1 year it was Sudoku, another year it was something else. Tic-tac-toe game was asked once. So any random new puzzle they can create. So they are practicing Sudoku only, that is not the idea. But any puzzles can come. So this already I have discussed in the rapid fire series 1 or 2 examples of the Sudoku. So I'm moving to the next type. Now miscellaneous reasoning questions bhi aa sakta hai, and last 2 years mein they have asked this in 2 set of paper. Analogy type. Yeah, analogy type November 2020 exam के पहले एक भी question नहीं आया था. November 2020 is the first time they have asked it, and last 2 years 2024 and 25 December February also ये analogy type का questions आ रहा है. So ये question try करिए all of you. I'll just come in a minute, all of you complete this. Okay, most of you got it. Ball is to sport and dash is to music. Ball is the thing that is needed to play a sport. Same thing. Piano is an instrument to play music. In these kinds of questions, best analogy we need. Ball to sport, same way dash to music. So piano is the answer. So these are the reasoning topics, and these are the topics from which you can get more question. Cube and dice also, last year they have asked a question, but yeah, maybe you can get a question this time also, but comparatively less important topic. So these are the reasoning areas from which I have mentioned about 6 areas from which questions chances are more. Gramophone is not such an instrument which like we used to play. It is a gramophone plays music, Nagamaljeet. That is the main difference. But ball is something that we need. Ball is not playing itself, but gramophone is playing itself. Na? Are you getting the point? So same way here, piano we have to make it play. Same way ball we have to make it play. So that is why the best analogy is piano compared to gramophone. Okay, so that's it. Now number system is a unit from which questions definitely will be there. 100% sure questions will be there. But number system is a very vast area. In the tomorrow's flashcard revision series, I will give special importance to number system. The number system में कुछ area से questions आने का chances ज़्यादा है, especially this types of numbers related. Types of numbers related itself, there are many questions. This is one such example. So this you can try yourself. This will take time to explain. I'm not explaining. These flashcards I will explain it tomorrow. About different types of numbers. That summary itself can give you idea and that can help you solve questions. And odd number, even number arithmetic is also very important. Divisibility idea is also important. number system each question ke liye it will take 5 to 10 minutes to explain in detail. That's why I'm not starting explanation. I'm just going through the areas. Rapid fire mein we have covered few examples already. So divisibility ka kuch there's a separate flashcard that I have created for this divisibility rule. I will explain that in the next class in the flashcard revision series. So maybe one example we'll discuss. Yeah, this one will take less time to explain. So this I will explain. I think I have shown this in the flashcard revision. So sorry, in the rapid fire. So try this question, all of you. Try this question. Give you one question, one example. I'm repeating, number system is very important. Before exam, have a good revision of that. In the flashcard revision also, we'll do that. For the students who have joined late, in the beginning of today's session, I have announced a free mock test that you can access. Download our mobile application, Christy's classes. Or in the app, you can easily access it. So download it to get access to it. In the description of the video also, you can find the link to download it. Free mock test भी है, उसका solution भी दिया है. Okay, this question you have to know how to represent a 2-digit number. A 2-digit number can be written as 10x plus y. Yeah, इसका दूसरा version flashcard revision में discuss किया था, not the same one. From a 2-digit number, sum of its digits is subtracted. So digits का sum means x and y. That means, now simplifying it, 10x minus x is 9x. y cancels. The resulting number will be always divisible by 9. 9x is divisible by 9. Na? Both is simple. Hai na? Take an example to get more clarity if you are confused about it. Any 2-digit number, 34. उसके साथ sum of digits 3 and 4 add करिए. Sorry, subtract करिए. 3 and 4 subtract करना means 3 minus 3 minus 4. That is 34 minus 7, 28. Sorry, 34 minus 7, 27. 27 is divisible by 9. Na? But example से confusion होने का chances है because in case another option also satisfies, you have to take multiple examples. That is why direct method is better. In the flashcard, I have shown you 2-digit number, 10x plus y, 3-digit number, 100x plus 10y plus z, etc. That is very important. The number system unit, it is important. You have to go through it. Now, percentage ratio fraction, that is also an important area. Even recent years also they have asked from this. So this is an example of percentage. Percentage, as I have mentioned earlier also, you should know how to calculate percentages in the mind. Mental math trick of percentage calculation we have discussed in earlier classes. Go through it. You can easily do it. This all takes time to explain. That's why I'm not explaining one by one. But these areas, please go through it before exam. Ratio proportion, this type question also. And profit loss discount is extension of percentage itself. Profit loss discount may rapid fire series may I have explained about this. Yeah, this all of you remember na? Answer it fast. New students, for you I'm showing this again. Very good, most of you got it. So that's a shortcut formula for this. When the profit percentage and loss percentage are equal for the same selling price situation, that is the important aspect. सेम सेलिंग प्राइस सिचुएशन में ही ये एप्लीकेबल है. सेम कॉस्ट प्राइस वाला सिचुएशन में दिस इज नॉट द केस. सेम कॉस्ट प्राइस वाला सिचुएशन में इट विल बी नो प्रॉफिट नो लॉस विल बी द आंसर. This is same selling price wala situation. That is why you just have to take that percentage square divided by 100. That percentage square divided by 100. That is the logic needed to do the question. That percentage means what? Here the common percentage is 20%. No? So 20% means 20 square divided by 100. That will be the corresponding loss percentage. And I have told in the rapid fire also, before CSIR asked this question in exam, I have already put the same example in my flashcard few years back itself. So that is 20% at the 20 square by 100. X% profit, X% loss at the X square by 100% loss hoga. Now some of you who are thinking, why can't it be no profit no loss? That will be correct if not selling prices are same. If cost prices are same, then for the same question the answer will be no profit no loss. That is this situation if CP are equal. So this kind of particular cases they can ask actually. Otherwise one question or the other from profit and loss you may get. Profit, loss, discount, all these are interconnected area. In school you have learned this formula, but there is logical formula. The flashcard revision series I will explain about this in detail, the logical formula. Otherwise miscellaneous monetary problem. Monetary problem means money related problem. Profit, loss, discount is one type of money related problem. Miscellaneous money related problems can also be asked. For example, ये question देखिए 4849 notes को ये denomination में convert करना है. Minimum कितना notes चाहिए? So the logic is first you have to start with the maximum valuable note. कितना accommodate कर सकता है, then next valuable, then next valuable and so on. That way you can do the question. Now let me tell you one type that they have started asking more. This is a new trend. Yeah, if you follow my previous playlist also you will not understand, because this trend started last few years, especially last 2 years. CSIR में बहुत सारा gate का typical questions रिपीट करने लग रहा है. दिस इज अ टिपिकल क्वेश्चन ऑफ गेट एग्जाम. गेट एग्जाम में यह कॉमनली पूछा, बिकॉज गेट में देयर इज अ सेपरेट, आई एम सेइंग गेट एग्जाम, ऑल ऑफ यू आर फेमिलियर विद गेट आई गेस. तो गेट एग्जाम में देयर इज अ सेपरेट सिलेबस में सेपरेटली एक यूनिट है कॉल्ड स्पेशल एप्टीट्यूड. CSIR में भी वो एरिया है, बट स्पेशल एप्टीट्यूड जस्ट नाम के एक सेपरेट यूनिट सेपरेट नहीं किया है, but instead it is mentioned series formation. ये symbol series का ही question है, but this is more identical to a gate exam pattern question. So this kind of a question, if it comes also, it is not surprising, because last 2 years they have started asking. So practice this kind of question. Elimination is the best way. So mirror image का mirror image ये 4 ऑप्शन में कौन सा है? चारों ऑप्शन सेम लग रहा है, सो यू डोंट हैव टू वरी अबाउट द फर्स्ट लेटर एट ऑल. ऐसा 1 by 1 एलिमिनेशन. पी का भी चारों ऑप्शन सेम लग रहा है, सो डोंट वरी अबाउट इट. एस का, या दिस यू हैव टू बी वेरी केयरफुल. इट्स लाइक एन आई टेस्ट दैट यू आर अटेंडिंग. तो एस का टॉप पार्ट लिटिल स्मॉलर है, बॉटम पार्ट बिगर है या वाइडर है. तो मिरर इमेज में टॉप पार्ट वाइडर होगा, बॉटम पार्ट स्मॉलर होगा ना. टॉप पार्ट वाइडर, बॉटम स्मॉलर, इन दीज 2 ऑप्शंस इट इज करेक्ट. बट ऑप्शन बी एंड डी में वो गलत है, तो वो बी एंड डी एलिमिनेट कर सकता है. दिस इज हाउ यू हैव टू डू ऑप्शन एलिमिनेशन. ए एंड आर का दोनों लेटर्स सिमिलर दिख रहा है, सो यू डोंट हैव टू वरी अबाउट ए एंड आर. बी का, हाँ, हियर ऑल्सो चेक इट वेरी केयरफुली. बी का टॉप पार्ट स्मॉलर है, बॉटम पार्ट बिगर है. सो मिरर इमेज में बॉटम स्मॉलर और टॉप पार्ट बिगर होना चाहिए. ऑप्शन ए satisfies that, बट ऑप्शन सी में गलत है. द मिररिंग इज नॉट करेक्ट फॉर लेटर बी. सी इज ऑल्सो एलिमिनेटेड. इज दैट क्लियर? This is something that we haven't discussed in the rapid fire. That is why I am explaining this. Is that clear all of you? Spatial aptitude या symbol sequence का type है ये. Hope it is clear to all. Then So that are yeah. Now another important unit which almost sure you will get a question from this unit: probability and arrangement type. Probability and arrangement. Probability and arrangement means, arrangements means permutation combination unit. Permutation combination unit may most repeated type is fundamental principle of counting. If one thing can be done in m ways, another thing in n ways, both the thing together can be done in m into n ways. So this type itself was asked multiple times. Yeah, try kariye for the new student. And those of you watching this lecture live, if you are feeling the session is useful, please hit the like button. That is a minimum you can do, because that itself will help YouTube to understand your session. More students को recommend करना है before the 28th July exam. So exam 1 week में है, so they should see this video before the exam. So if you cannot share to anyone, at least hit the like button if this video content is good. So ऐसा क्वेश्चन में very important idea is repetition is allowed or not. Here repetition is allowed. Repetition allowed मतलब एक letter, English letter A, B, C, D up to Z, 26 letters are possible. The first question में 26 possibilities are there. Repetition allowed है, so second question may be 26 possibility, because question says 2 letters allowed है. The 2 letters can be filled in 26 into 26 ways using fundamental principle of counting. Fundamental principle of counting के बारे में detailed explanation we will discuss in the next lecture. Flashcard revision series में discuss करेगा. Now followed by 4 decimal digits. What are the decimal digits? 0 to 9. 0 to 9 मतलब 10 digits. And repetition allowed है, so 10, 10, 10, 10. Because 4 decimal digits allowed है ना. So 10 into 10 into 10 into 10. So 26 into 26 into 10 into 10 into 10 into 10. Option B is the correct answer. अब ये repetition allowed नहीं है तो answer option A होगा. I have discussed this in the rapid fire. So we will go to the next question. Clear है ना? So fundamental principle of counting का किसी variation questions you can expect, और fundamental principle of counting का ही extension है number rearrangement या letter rearrangement का question. Number rearrangement is called anagram. Sorry, letter rearrangement is called anagram or number rearrangement question. जैसे June 2023 question. Try it as homework. Time लगेगा ये question explain करने के लिए. Otherwise, direct permutation combination का question आ सकता है. This I will explain. Try it fast. ये question try करिए. Permutation combination का formula clear है तो ये type question easy हो जाएगा. बिना formula भी कर सकता है, but try करिए. No more clues. Try it after that I will tell you. Very good. How many ways can a menu be made from 5 dishes if the menu contains either 3 or 4 dishes? 5 में से 3 dish choose करने के लिए 5C3 ways are there. That's a basic theory of combination. R things can be selected from N things in NCR ways. So 5C3 ways are there to select 3 dishes. 4 dishes select करने के लिए 5C4 ways are there. Either or means हमें ये भी चाहिए, so 5C3 plus 5C4. That is again fundamental principle of counting, addition rule. Fundamental principle of counting is the base concept for all questions of permutation combination. So 5C3 plus 5C4. 5C3 कैसा calculate करना है? We have discussed in previous classes. 5 into 4 by 1 into 2. 10. 5C4 क्या है? 5. 10 plus 5, 15 होगा answer. There are other ways of doing it, but this is the easier way to do it. Yes, handshake question, gift sharing question, ऐसा questions भी आ सकता है. So permutation combination. Now some people have confusion when to use permutation, when to use combination. This is a chart which explains it. In the tomorrow's lecture I will explain more about it. Now probability also, there are chances that you may get questions from probability. के लिए probability का basic theory, basic formula you should know. This is a 2024 question, time consuming question है, so try it as a homework. Probability का easy question या moderate question या difficult question expect कर सकता है. Basic definition of probability is the most important thing and fundamental principle of counting. So that is about the quantitative aptitude major areas. There are few more areas. Data interpretation is another unit. Data interpretation also, there are chances that you may get one question from data interpretation or sometimes two also. That can be a bar chart question, that can be a pie chart question, that can be a table question, that can be a line graph question, or it can be like a plain data also. So this is an example of a bar graph question. So try करिए, time ज़्यादा लगेगा, so you can try it as a homework. 2020 cricket के बारे में पूछ रहा है, so try it. And line graph, bar chart, histogram, pie chart, line plot, table, all these we have discussed, and these are few tips for solving data interpretation questions. We'll discuss in tomorrow's class. So another area of quantitative aptitude itself is speed, distance, time and work problem. Speed distance is one type, work and time is another type. में से भी क्वेश्चन आने का चांसेस ज़्यादा है. लास्ट ईयर भी क्वेश्चन आया था स्पीड डिस्टेंस टाइम के लिए. टाइम में बेसिकली दीज फॉर्मूलाज आर व्हाट इज नीडेड. एवरेज स्पीड का कॉन्सेप्ट का भी क्वेश्चन रेपिटेशन हुआ है. यूनिट कन्वर्शन ऑल्सो इज इम्पॉर्टेंट. फ्लैश कार्ड रिविजन सीरीज में विल डिस्कस अबाउट इट. तो स्पीड डिस्टेंस टाइम का एक वेरिएशन है ट्रेन प्रॉब्लम या बोट एंड स्ट्रीम प्रॉब्लम. दैट इन दैट terms also they can ask the question. So train problem is divided into 6 different types which we will discuss in the flashcard series. Boat and stream problem कम पूछा है, train problem ज़्यादा पूछा है नेट एग्जाम में. So another area is geometry. Geometry also last few years they are asking. 2D geometry से क्वेश्चन आ सकता है, 3D geometry से आ सकता है, coordinate geometry से आ सकता है. Otherwise mensuration which means perimeter area volume उससे भी क्वेश्चन आ सकता है. For example, ये क्वेश्चन shape of a country on a map is approximated by a kite with diagonals length 300 किलोमीटर. मिनिमम पॉसिबल लेंथ. मिनिमम पॉसिबल लेंथ के लिए वो काइट एक रोम्बस या स्क्वायर शेप में होना चाहिए, या टिपिकली अ स्क्वायर. ये एंगल्स का डिफरेंस मिनिमम होना चाहिए. उसके लिए ये चारों एंगल 90 होना इज द बेस्ट सिचुएशन. 90 होना मतलब दैट इज अ स्क्वायर शेप. स्क्वायर का एक डायगोनल दिया है 300. Minimum possible length of the boundary means perimeter is asked. तो पाइथागोरस थ्योरम अप्लाई करके ये हाइपोटेन्यूज है, ये एक राइट ट्रायंगल है. सो इफ दिस इज x, दिस इज आल्सो x. x स्क्वायर प्लस x स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 300 स्क्वायर. इसको सोल्व किया तो x का वैल्यू मिलेगा. वो x का वैल्यू सब्सटीट्यूट किया तो 4x मिलेगा. दैट इज द पेरीमीटर विच विल कम अप टू 848. यू कैन ट्राई इट योरसेल्फ. तो ज्योमेट्री में बहुत सारा एरियाज है. आई विल गिव यू अ क्विक रिविजन ऑफ दैट इन द फ्लैश कार्ड रिविजन सीरीज. प्लीज कंसिडर दीज लेक्चर सीरीज एज अ कंटिन्यूअस थिंग. डोंट थिंक दैट दिस इज द ओनली लेक्चर दैट विल हेल्प यू कंप्लीटली इन योर एग्जाम. ये लेक्चर का कंटिन्यूएशन है कल से शुरू करने वाला फ्लैश कार्ड रिविजन सीरीज. तो as I told in the last few days, I am trying to come up with a set of lectures to help you out before exam. One lecture magic portion है which solves all your problem. ऐसा एक lecture नहीं है. And I am not claiming in the video attend this session get 30 out of 30 in exam. That is then all hard work have no value at all. So that is not the point of this lecture. This is making you familiar with the areas that have higher chance to be asked. वो areas आप ज़्यादा time devote करके revision करिए next days में. उसके लिए हेल्प करने के लिए फ्लैश कार्ड रिविजन सीरीज होगा कल से. तो ज्योमेट्री का अनदर एरिया है 3D ज्योमेट्री. 3D ज्योमेट्री में स्फीयर, हेमिस्फीयर, सिलेंडर, कॉन, पिरामिड्स, प्रिज्म्स, ऐसा डिफरेंट शेप्स का क्वेश्चंस आ सकता है. एंड अनदर टाइप दैट वाज फ्रीक्वेंटली आस्क्ड इज काउंटिंग ऑफ पॉलीगन. इट्स अ रीजनिंग टाइप इटसेल्फ, बट ज्योमेट्री का बेसिक आइडिया चाहिए. कंप्लीट कोर्स स्टूडेंट्स, टुडे मॉर्निंग वी हैव डिस्कस्ड दिस टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चंस. सो सिस्टमैटिकली इफ यू काउंट इट, इट इज वेरी सिंपल. इसका आंसर 15 आएगा. ट्राई इट योरसेल्फ. 15 विल बी द आंसर. नाउ मेंसुरेशन मींस पेरीमीटर एरिया वॉल्यूम रिलेटेड ज्योमेट्री क्वेश्चंस. उसका डिफरेंट टाइप्स आया है बहुत बार. उसमें वन कॉमन टाइप इज रेशियो टाइप क्वेश्चन. रेशियो टाइप क्वेश्चन, शेडेड टू अनशेडेड, शेडेड टू टोटल, अनशेडेड टू टोटल. तो ऐसा क्वेश्चंस करना बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है. हाँ, ये क्वेश्चन ट्राई करिए. ये क्वेश्चन 2 बार CSIR में ही पूछा है, गेट एग्जाम में 1 बार भी पूछा है. ये सेम क्वेश्चन, जस्ट नंबर्स में डिफरेंस था, सेंटेंसेस में डिफरेंस था, सेम पिक्चर देके 3 क्वेश्चंस नेट और गेट मिला के पूछा है. तो ट्राई दिस सुपर फास्ट. Okay, I think the camera is hiding the image. Okay, I will briefly explain it. 2 semicircles are drawn in a square with sides of a diameter as shown. If the side of the square is 2 units, so here 2 units hai. So the radius of the circle will be, या semicircle will be 1 unit ना, because इतना 1 unit होगा. So ये भी radius है, ये भी radius है, 1 unit ही होगा. If the side of the square is 2 units, how much is the shaded area? हाँ, यहाँ पे ratio नहीं, how much is the shaded area पूछा है. Same thing as a ratio also it can be asked. Shaded area to total area. So for all that you should know how to find the area of this. Here, look at this. If you get confused with semicircle, you may not get the answer. Forget about the semicircle. Think it like a quarter circle and a square, small square. ये 3 एरिया टोटल स्क्वायर एरिया से सब्ट्रैक्ट किया तो इजीली आंसर मिलेगा ना. टोटल स्क्वायर एरिया क्या है? 2 साइड लेंथ वाला स्क्वायर है, सो 2 स्क्वायर 4 होगा. ये बिग स्क्वायर का एरिया, बिग स्क्वायर का एरिया 4 है. आर यू एग्रीइंग? बिग स्क्वायर का एरिया क्यू 4 है. नाउ ये स्मॉल स्क्वायर का एरिया 1 स्क्वायर 1 होगा ना. ये क्वार्टर सर्कल मीन्स 1/4 ऑफ अ फुल सर्कल, तो 1/4 पाई रेडियस स्क्वायर. रेडियस तो 1 है, ये क्वार्टर सर्कल का रेडियस 1 है ना, डायमीटर 2 रेडियस 1. तो ये भी 1/4 पाई 1 स्क्वायर है. 1/4 पाई 1 स्क्वायर, 1/4 पाई 1 स्क्वायर मीन्स 1/4 plus pi plus 1/4 pi, that is 2/4 pi. 2/4 pi is what? 2/4 pi means 1/2 pi. Pi by 2 will be the area of 2 semicircles together. And this is going to be square area is 1 square, so plus 1. This is the area of the unshaded region. The area of shaded region find करने के लिए 4 से ये दोनों subtract करना है. 4 minus करना है. 4 minus किया तो 4 minus 1 3, 3 minus pi by 2 मिलेगा. Option C is the answer. Very interesting question, tricky question. I agree if you are seeing it for the first time. That's why I'm saying practice PYQs. ये नवंबर 2020 में भी सेम क्वेश्चन पूछा था, नवंबर 2020 एग्जाम में, और दिसंबर 2023 में रिपीट किया. November 2020 में I think instead of shaded area they were asking unshaded area. That was the only difference. No, there also it was shaded area itself. Same question ही था, just options का position different था, but same question. So that is a common type. So इसके लिए you have to revise perimeter, area and volume, which we will do in the rapid fire series. Sorry, in the flashcard revision series. And distance and direction is another extension of geometry. उसमें भी डायग्राम से इजीली ड्रॉ कर सकता है. यू शुड नो अबाउट नॉर्थ साउथ ईस्ट वेस्ट, नॉर्थ ईस्ट साउथ ईस्ट, नॉर्थ वेस्ट साउथ वेस्ट. ये 8 डायरेक्शन क्लियर होना चाहिए. पाइथागोरस थ्योरम क्लियर होना चाहिए. पाइथागोरियन ट्रिपलेट्स क्लियर होना चाहिए. इतना क्लियर है तो डिस्टेंस एंड डायरेक्शन ईजी है. डिस्टेंस एंड डायरेक्शन का एक वेरिएशन टाइप भी पूछ सकता है, वेयर ट्रिग्नोमेट्री इज ऑल्सो इन्वॉल्व. उसके लिए ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियोज पता होना चाहिए. एटलीस्ट tan theta. Tan theta is the most common ones you need, and tan of these angles. So that are the major areas. Now data interpretation का ही another variation is Venn diagram. Venn diagram question directly या indirectly पूछ सकता है. Syllogism type Venn diagram भी पूछ सकता है. Non syllogism Venn diagram भी पूछ सकता है. That also last few years they are asking. So how to draw it and all we have discussed. Clock and time से बहुत सारा questions है. एंड लास्ट फ्यू इयर्स में डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चंस आ रहा है क्लॉक एंड टाइम से, स्पेशली हाफ इंटू मॉडुलस ऑफ 60h-11m वाला फॉर्मूला वाला. सो दैट फ्लैश कार्ड रिविजन सीरीज में आई विल एक्सप्लेन दैट इन डिटेल. एंड कैलेंडर प्रॉब्लम लास्ट ईयर में दे हैवंट आस्क्ड, बट दे कैन आस्क. क्लॉक और कैलेंडर, वन ऑफ दोस एरियाज दे मे आस्क अ क्वेश्चन. कैलेंडर प्रॉब्लम में बेसिक थियरी reference date दिया तो how to find it. Yeah, you can try this question for the time sake. So that are the major areas. So major areas from which questions can come, I gave you a quick idea. And according to previous years, which type of questions were asked more, that also we discussed. Now any particular area, if you need clarity, we will do that in the flashcard revision series. Maybe if time allows, maybe 1 or 2 more rapid fire series. Mention in the chat what kind of videos you want, all of you, in the comments section and chat section. And to give you more practice, 20 questions का practice के लिए एक mock test, time bound mock test attempt करिए 30 minutes set करके 30 minutes में वो questions try करना है. Yeah, there it's a mock test platform itself, so already 30 minutes is set there. But don't take extra time after that just because there is not a invigilator to conduct the exam. So this is the details of the mock test we are conducting. Download our mobile app. There you can find the link to directly attend or be part of our WhatsApp group or Telegram group. Today 7 PM or 8 PM that will be live in the WhatsApp group and Telegram. So any other doubts, anything else? Did you felt this session is useful? Those of you watching me live or recorded, like to hear from you. And if you felt this is useful, share it among your friends, share it in the WhatsApp groups, Telegram groups related to CSIR-NET also before the exam is over. So very good, Kamalji. That's a good score. In 30 minutes you could do that, no? Yeah, that mock test is one of the official model question paper CSIR itself have given. Very less people know about that mock test. That model question paper CSIR have published, so that you get exact pattern of CSIR itself. And the video solution, I have given the video solutions also of those questions. Any other doubts, any other things you want to mention? How you want me to help you out, that also you can mention for the 28th July exam. December aspirants, I will highly recommend, instead of my YouTube videos, if you can come be part of the live complete course. It is, if you already feel YouTube videos are like very effective, you will feel that how live complete course will be like 10 times more effective than that. So it will have not only live classes, YouTube videos have only live classes now, recordings of the live class, uske साथ एक structure follow करेगा in our live complete courses. Whether it is for CSIR, whether it is for GATE, we follow the same structure. Monday, Wednesday, Friday live classes होगा. Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday आपको practice के लिए time भी देगा, practice materials भी देगा. और Sunday weekly test होगा on the topics we discussed on the 3 live classes, so that in 1 week the whole topics are completed. ये structure आपको मिलेगा सिर्फ this complete course में, not in a YouTube video. There you have to keep motivating yourself to not break a structure, to be part of a routine. So here we will guide you to be part of the routine. And as there is a community learning with you, that will be more motivating for you. And if 1 mock test we have given free, but 10 mock tests with video solution will be available as part of this live complete course. और 15 shortcut approaches और exam hacks सारा lectures में उसके बारे में discussion होगा, उसके लिए separate lectures भी होगा. Complete theory of all CSIR-NET General Aptitude topics will be covered. Latest PYQs including July exam के बाद July exam का PYQs भी इसमें included है. अभी early bird pricing is applicable now only, so if you are planning to prepare for December exam, subscribe it early before the early bird price is over. But if you are planning only for 28 July exam, this course is not needed. Only go with my YouTube videos. I am telling to the non-live complete course students, you can be part of the YouTube videos. That itself will help you for the next week exam, because next week exam के लिए ये subscribe करके there is no use at all for the next 5 days subscribing this. This course is for December exam. Let me clarify that. So more queries के लिए you can contact us at this number and website and mobile app. And GATE 2.0 course आज से शुरू हो रहा है. It's a 2.0 version of our GATE course with more updated content, more structured course plan, more study materials, updated study materials, etc., and with a lower price than the previous course also, so that more people can join. As a launch offer, we are giving it. There's a coupon called launch 500 to access it. So that's it. Any other doubts, anyone? Any other feedback or doubts or anything? Please mention and comment under the video also what you felt about the session. Tomorrow 5:30 p.m. we will come up with the flashcard revision series. So stay tuned. And those of you missed the rapid fire series, uska recording live lectures tab pe available hai. Go through that and attempt the free mock test also. This free mock test is available till the exam only. So it is for this exam we are providing it for free. It is part of our paid course itself, but we are giving one mock test for free so that everyone can get a mock test experience before the exam. So that's it. Thank you all of you. Take care all of you. No other doubts, no other concerns, I guess. Any other things, please mention in the comment section. Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye. Have a good day and good night. See you all in the next class. Bye-bye. And all the best.